Coming very soon to your movie theater screen, or for $19.99 to stream. We were about to make Nature Trail to Hell 13, then decided a reboot's what we need. We remade a classic with all digital effects, with so much CGI, you can't believe your eyes when you see Nature Trail to Hell. Nature Trail to Hell. Nature Trail to Hell. The reboot.
The hell.
The reboot.
Nature Trail to Hell.
The reboot.
Nature Trail to Hell.
The reboot. We thought that Cub Scouts were, well, a little lame. Instead, we found some teens to make. The body parts go flying through the woods just like before, only with a little more tits and gore. Come see our ending, it's a really big surprise. But it's the same movie from '85, except nobody leaves alive when you see
Nature Trail to Hell. Nature Trail to Hell. Nature Trail to Hell.
The reboot.
Nature Trail to Hell.
The reboot.
Nature Trail to Hell.
The reboot.
Nature Trail to Hell.
The reboot.